Today, we will be going over this outdoor LED motion activated lights. You have your main light here. There's the side light that you can bend any way you want. Underneath is the PIR motion sensor. And underneath that are all the controls, the settings. For instance, the duration of the light staying on, as well as the sensitivity of the PIR sensor. The sensor can also be tilted any way you want. Overall, this is pretty small. This is the size of my hand. And here's a pen for comparison. It is small, but the LED light is extremely bright. But you're not really here for that, are you? You're here because this is a home automation channel, all things high-tech. The Shelly PM only requires 3 wires. Sorry, I only have green at the moment. O is going to the light. L is coming from mains to power up this device. N is for neutral. So suppose this is your mains coming from the circuit breaker all the way down somewhere in your basement, most likely. Black is for hot, and it connects to this wiggle nuts, and this goes to the L of the Shelly. Green is for ground, and this goes to the ground of the LED. White is your neutral. This white from mains is going to this wiggle nuts, which is going to the neutral of the LED, as well as the neutral and on your Shelly PM. So every time motion is detected, it draws a lot of power to power up the LED. We're going to use that information to alert the phone, the mobiles, tablet or whatever, or even the home automation to let you know that motion has been detected. Once you're done with the LED installation, just turn on the mains breaker back on and it will wake up the Shelly device. Next, install the app. This is what we need. It's called Shelly Cloud. I already installed it, so I'm just going to hit open. Go ahead and create a room if you haven't already. Name the room whatever you want. I already have my rooms. Next, add device. It will want to connect to your Wi-Fi, so go ahead and choose the Wi-Fi network that you are using. Hit continue. If new Shelly devices have been installed in your house, then it will show up on this list. I don't have anything new at the moment, so we're going to skip this step. For you, you'll see a new device in this area. Go ahead and tap on it and add it into your room. Final part, we're going to add the Shelly into the Home Assistant hub. Open your Home Assistant up, go down to Configuration, Integrations. It is possible that your Shelly device was discovered and then all you have to do is configure. If for whatever reason it can't find your Shelly, then go ahead and click on Add Integration. Type in Shelly. Here, type in the IP address of your Shelly device. If you don't know what it is, I highly recommend using a program like Advanced IP Scanner. Once IP Scanner opens up, go ahead and scan your IP ranges. For my devices, it starts with 192.168.1.1. To find out what your IP range is, go ahead and open the Start menu, type in Command, When a command prompt opens up, type in ipconfig. Look at your IPv4 address. So you can see mine is in the 192.168.1. range. I'm going to scan 192.168.1.1-254. It does take a while to scan all your devices. Once you know the IP address of your Shelly device, go ahead and enter it here. I already submitted it, so I'm not going to do it here. I'm just going to hit escape, but for you, hit submit. Currently, my device is disconnected, so that's why you're seeing that it's not connecting at all. You can see all of the energy and power it consumes. Go ahead and click on this power entity. And you can see here the entity is sensor.motion_lights_power. I'm going to create an automation based on this entity. On the left side, click on Configuration, Automations, Add Automation. Start with an empty automation. In the name section, you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it Alert Motion Light is On. The trigger will be this entity that we saw earlier, sensor motion_lights_power. If that power goes above 10, then we know motion was triggered and the lights are on. That's why it's consuming a lot of power. For action, we'll call service. In my scenario, I'm going to send a notification via Telegram. The message will be motion detected in the backyard. One more action. Let's add action. We're going to turn the lights on and off. So call service. Lights toggle. Light toggle means that if the light is on, turn it off. And if the light is off, turn it on. By doing toggle twice, it equates to flickering the lights. So first I'm going to toggle it. And then I'm going to toggle it again. Go ahead and click on save when you're done. And that's basically it. This is such a great way to use the Shelly PM to turn your dumb lights into a smart light. Now you'll get notified on your phone or whatever you want to do. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you everyone for hitting the subscribe button. It really means a lot to me when you guys subscribe. And thanks for watching.